Good morning, class. In the previous lesson, we have learned about transportation in plants and two conducting tissues, that is xylem and phloem. We have learned about the functions and the location of xylem. We know that it is composed of 4 elements: tracheids, xylem vessels, xylem fibers, and xylem parenchyma. Today we'll be learning about them. That is, xylem contains 4 types of cells such as xylem parenchyma, xylem fibers, tracheids, and vessels. So what is xylem parenchyma and function of xylem parenchyma? It is to store metabolites produced from metabolism of plants and also helps in short distance transport. Next we have is xylem fibers. It helps to provide mechanical support. The walls of the xylem fibers are lignified and protoplasm is absent. Next we have is xylem tracheids. It helps in transport of water and minerals and salts. Xylem vessels helps in, alright, now xylem vessels means this vessels. This one, it helps in conduction of water and minerals. These cells are dead cells. Next, today we'll be learning about phloem. The phloem is responsible for translocation of nutrients and sugar like carbohydrates produced by the leaves to the areas of plant that are metabolically active. It helps to transport nutrients and sugar, that is the food, to different parts of the plant. It is made of living cells. The cell walls of these cells form small holes at the end of the cells known as seed plates. There are 4 components of phloem. The food prepared in the leaves through the process of photosynthesis need to be transported to each part of the plant body, which is facilitated by this conducting tissue called phloem. The main function is to transport food to different parts of the plant body. The 4 elements or the components of phloem are seed tubes, companion cells, phloem fibers, and phloem parenchyma. So let us understand them one by one. Phloem also contains 4 types of cells, that is known as phloem parenchyma. Phloem parenchyma, it helps to transport nutrients and storage of organic food. Next, we have is phloem fibers. They are non-living component of phloem. They provide mechanical support. Next we have is companion cells. They provide ATP, that is adenosine phosphate, that is energy and nutrients to carry out cellular functions. And we have seed tube. It helps in transport of carbohydrate, especially sucrose. So this is all we'll be learning for today. So today we have learned about the 4 components of phloem and their functions, that it consists of phloem parenchyma, phloem fibers, companion cells, and seed tubes. We have also come to know about the function and the different components of xylem and their functions: xylem parenchyma, xylem fibers, tracheids, and vessels. So, class, this is all we'll be learning for today.